Hello, beautiful family, coming to you from the guinea pig house, and it's a little transmission from here. Their joyful eating and their tribal sorry for the interruption. I had my phone also on the Wi-Fi, and then it doesn't get it enough from the house. And often the connection down here is very pure and natural, not a lot of EMFs down here, and often the connection is low, and like Telstra, for example, isn't available here, and yeah, it's a sacred natural space. So I'm just sharing from here, a little quick transmission to our naturalness, to unity in community. Hold on 1 second, please. Yeah, I'm just finishing a video. Just a second, please. So I'm just about to go off again. Just a little quick life from here. Groundedness, deeper incarnation into our humanness, peace, coherence, naturalness, and speaking our truth, being who we are and speaking our truth. And yeah, also silence and just being. Yeah, this is a beautiful animal transmission for you, and light and the plants. The light always shows up, even when the sun isn't behind me. Yeah. Sending love and blessings. Have a beautiful day. We're in very big timeline shifts. I notice it for myself too. When there's a massive shift, I have powerful water dreams. Wow, it's a remembrance of how we once lived. You know, I'm just feeling the deep shock of reading, seeing every day the pollution that has been happening without in the waters of Earth and in the bodies of humans. Like in America, there are over 25 beaches closed because of pollution. Like, imagine that. South Australia as well. Like, you know, this is not a joke. Imagine living close to the ocean and you can't go in it because it's toxic. Imagine your body and your waters, the waters of your body, your blood and everything, poisoned. This is what is happening most around everywhere. Littering within and without. Yeah, babies being already toxified, chemicals shot into their blood, their whole natural order in their body is destroyed. You know, animals the same, ruling of the fake systems. Yeah, so returning to our origin is the only thing that can help the extinction of Earth and humanity. And it starts with our water, because we are water bodies on a water planet. So, okay, I gotta go to my daughter, and I'll see you later. Have a beautiful day.